So welcome to Techno Dad Life, and my name is Jeff, and today what we're going to talk about is, can we improve our vision, and is there a way of testing it and keeping track of it? So let's find out. So over the years, I've collected different books about improving your vision, and I've actually gone to eye specialists that said you could improve your vision, but unfortunately it was too expensive for me. So basically they wanted me to come at that time weekly, and which was way beyond my budget. I was just a student at that time, and so I've pretty much let go of that up until recently. So now I saw this on Kickstarter originally, and then I just got one of these in the mail. This is the EyeQue Vision Check, which lets you at home check your vision to see if your vision is improving, staying stable, or getting worse over time. So let's take a look at this. So a quick look in the box. We have some directions, cleaning cloth. We have our vision checker. And then we have a strap to attach it to our phone, charging cord, and then finally glasses to check our vision distance. So the first thing you want to do is download the Vision Check app and then sign in, and then you'll be ready to do your first test. So you need to charge it and then press on the power button and then wait till it flashes, and now it's ready to pair. Click on the test button and then follow the directions. Pair your device. Now if it doesn't pair right away, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and then pick your device on the list. And then attach it to the screen, just following the directions. Make sure it's centered in the rectangular box there, and then click Next. And if you have a screen protector, make sure you hit Yes. And it's ready to start. So make sure you take off your glasses and look for the red and green lines. You adjust the lines back and forth by the two buttons on the top, and then you hit the third button to move on to the next test. Okay, so once you're done, you'll get some results. And so if we look at my results, we have both green on the right and the left, and you can see my vision is pretty terrible. If your results aren't within a certain parameter, up above it says 0.25 to 0.75 difference, then you'll get a little red mark for inconsistent. And so basically you want to do this at least 4 times before you actually order some glasses. I did mine 5 times, and then you go from there. Now if you go back, so this first page shows you the results, your average results for all your tests. And these are the numbers that you actually want to use when you order glasses. Now the nice thing about EyeQue is it has the Get Test On glasses. And so the glasses you'll get are actually these ones. And so they're these round ones. They're looking to get bifocals. But at first I have to tell you a little test before we talk more about these. So if you watch my videos, you'll notice that I've been wearing these for a few weeks. So what I did is I did the EyeQue Vision Check for a few weeks, and then I went to the eye doctor and got my vision checked. So now the interesting thing that happened was the day I went to the eye doctor, I did the EyeQue beforehand, and my numbers were off. So my vision was off for that day. So I went to the eye doctor and I got these glasses, which I tried to wear for a month. Now the short story is that the glasses did not work out for me. When I went back to check my vision check, my eyes went back to the way they were before. And so basically I wasted a lot of money on these glasses, and I got these ones for $19. So these aren't the most stylish glasses, let's just say that, but using those numbers from our thing, now that I've tried out the test glasses, I can actually order other glasses online and get some stylish ones if I want. So one other thing you need to do before you order glasses online is actually get your pupillary distance And so how you do that is you take your glasses, put these on your face, and then go to Pupillary Distance and go to New Test. So then what you want to do is point the camera at yourself, and then you take a picture. Then you line up the little green line on the X's and in your eyes, and that will give you your pupillary distance. And then now you have all the numbers you need to actually order glasses online. So now what I want to do going forward in the future, now that I know I can get consistent results testing my eyes, I'm going to start doing the eye exercises, keep track of my vision, and then seeing if I can make my vision better, and then getting less strong glasses. Because my ultimate goal is, if I can, I want to make it so I don't have to wear glasses. Can we measure our eyes at home? Definitely yes. And can we change our eyes? Probably. And if you're interested in seeing more about this in my journey over the next year of doing that, just leave a comment down below, and if there's enough comments, I'll do a future video about this. So for me, the EyeQue was something that I've been looking for a while to keep track of my eyes, just like I can keep track of my heart rate, my blood pressure, my sleep. And ultimately, I know which days to go to the eye doctor if I can change my appointment and not go on days when my eyes are very bad. So is this worth it? For me, it's a definite yes. It's a cheap and easy way to keep track of your vision. You just have to do the eye test, which takes about 5 minutes when you do it. Otherwise, that's it for today. You have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.